Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube video. This is Scramble from Emotionless Crypto Trading, and today I would like to start a video series related to Phemex Cryptocurrency Derivatives Exchange. It's going to be more videos on the topic, so feel free to subscribe to my channel and stay in touch till the end. Today we're just going to have a quick introduction on how to sign up, make your first deposits, and take advantage of $72 bonuses that you can receive. In the next videos, we're going to learn how to trade, how to utilize the features of the platform, and how to dive into the deep things, right? Before we get into the first one, make sure you follow my main YouTube channel, which is Scramble Paul, where I talk about technical analysis on cryptocurrencies. We take the crypto, we do technical on the charts, and we help people understand the language of the market. This is my main channel with 30,000 subscribers out there, as well the place where I'm talking about my private one-on-one coaching program. I've been trading crypto since 2014, and I have launched this private one-on-one coaching, which has at the moment about 136 students, which have traded more than $4.2 million. And we're basically learning how to trade from A to Z on Skype calls from 1 month up to 1 month and a half period of time that we're together. Beautiful. So let's just get back to the Phemex, guys, which claims to be the fastest cryptocurrency derivatives exchange. And that is something that I've been testing due to the fact that I am trading on Phemex for more than 8 months already, and it's been going very fine. Here we go, guys. It is founded by 8 ex-Morgan Stanley executives, which is something to consider. That's why it's mentioned right here. Knowing this thing, I also have to mention that the platform they are utilizing is not only a design that is making the entire experience comfortable and efficient from the financial and resources side, it is also a new digital perspective. A new digital perspective eliminates the costs of the old ones that are representing a necessity to invest higher resources from every single user to utilize the platform. And I'm talking about the time here most likely. Those platforms, which are cryptocurrency, derivatives, exchanges, futures, traditional exchanges, all that stuff that's been online since 2015, 16, 17, they are utilizing old structures which have been recoded. Phemex is different, guys, and is using a totally new structure out there. You can find out, why to choose us, all those details right here, and some other details as well on the website. We're going to talk about all these things in a nutshell over the next few videos as well. Now, how to get started, because that is today's topic, and how to benefit of $72 profit as a bonus. How to do all these things? Well, the first thing you got to do is right here on the top right corner, you have register. But in order to click that, you need to be on the website. So make sure you use the link located in the description area, which is the referral link, and you can get a welcome bonus up to $72 by utilizing that. In the description or comments there, you have that. Click on that, get access to the website. Click right here on the top right corner, blue button, register. Put your email, password, which needs to be pretty complex, and then the invitation code, which is going to be something introduced there automatically by the system. Don't worry about that. Once you have this once completed, make sure you click on continue. A code is going to be sent to your email address that you have to introduce within the system. Just, wait a couple of seconds. You're going to get that code just like I'm getting it right now while I'm putting in my password. And basically, I'm going to put into my email and password, continue. I'm receiving that code to my email address right now, and I have to open up my email from the smartphone right now. Give me a second. This code is generated every single time you want to log in for security reasons. So there's more ways you can handle your securities, which is exactly the page we're right now. Account security. For you, it's going to open Phemex like this. With your account, with your bonus that you have received of $2, which is something that you're going to get as soon as you sign up from my link, directly $2 bonus in your account. You can also benefit from the other bonuses. We're going to talk about that in a matter of a few seconds. But until that, it is very important to look at your asset. So this is the way your balance is looking like. Click on the asset right here. You're gonna open up a screen like this. It's very simple to fund your account. Very simple. You click it on Fund BTC Trade Account. This is a brand new account. I've opened it for demonstration purposes. So you want to deposit because you want to benefit. You want to start using Phemex. This is how you do this. Fund BTC Trade Account. And then you put your amount of BTC right there. And then you will be able to fund your account once your BTC wallet has been funded. Right? So the first thing you got to do is you need to fund your BTC wallet. Your BTC wallet is a different category because we have two categories of wallets. We have the main one, BTC wallet, from where you have to fund either your BTC trade or your USD trade account. Depends which one you want to use it. Right? So first, the main wallet needs to be funded, BTC wallet, which is right here. By clicking deposit, you will receive an address. Just like you see right here, you have your recent history with all the data of your deposits mentioned down below. Deposit to this address. You can click on this little logo right here in order to copy your address. Make sure you verify it before you deposit. And then your deposit is going to appear into the main wallet. The only way you can deposit into the system is via Bitcoin. No other possibilities out there. Then you have to fund your trading accounts from the main BTC, which means that you want to trade in Bitcoin, you fund BTC trade account. And then the amount you want to fund with is going to be deducted from the main BTC wallet, right? So I'm sure it makes sense to you right now. It's not really complicated. Very simple. We fund the main wallet, and then out of the main wallet, we move into the trading wallets. We have two trading wallets, the BTC trade and the USD trade wallets. Beautiful. We can also move back when we want to withdraw. We have to move back from the trade wallet into the main BTC wallet. Simply clicking on withdraw to wallet. You definitely need to have funds there in order to be able to withdraw. Right now, I don't have funds there, so I cannot withdraw. But very simple, that's the way it works. Just like you moved, that's the way you move out. You send out. And then obviously BTC wallet main withdrawal is very simple. You need to have your Google Authenticator set up, which is something very, very easy to do. It's important for security reasons, and I'm sure all of you are aware about the Google Authenticator, the way it works and the way it's using. I can't really set this thing up with you because you will be able to see my codes and you will be able to discover my authenticator, which is not really fine at all because then you can access my account. Even though this one is just for testing, it's not going to be good. So here we go, guys. Getting back into the assets area, that's how we deposit. That's how we cash out once we have the Google Authenticator enabled for security purposes. And then what else do we have to do? Well, first thing is we definitely want to make sure we receive the bonuses. And you have already received the $2 registration bonus by utilizing the links in the description area. You can also use the $10 and the $60 bonus, which totally adds up to $72 that I've been talking about, welcome bonus per Phemex. It's quite easy to use the $10 bonus for which you don't need to deposit anything. It's a social media bonus. So the first thing you need to have an account. Then you got to follow Phemex on Twitter, and you have the button right here which sends you to Twitter. You have to retweet their pinned tweet while tagging 3 friends. There is also a tutorial video right here which is talking about that. And then you got to complete the application process to receive $10 after your claim has been reviewed. Right? So you open up the application. It's going to be a document you just have to fill out. You need to put here your UID on Phemex, right? So your UID on Phemex can be found out if you go into, let me just try to discover this. So you hover your mouse here on your email, go to account and security, and you have your UID right here mentioned. You copy this and you put it into the social media bonus. Then you put your email that you have signed up, you put the link of your retweet from Twitter, and then you pretty much which trade account you want to fund with the welcome bonus. That's really up to you. You can also join their Telegram, and then give it 2 working days, 2 business days for these guys to verify your activity. Once you do that, it's going to be fine, basically, because the representation is clear. Great. So you're going to get $10 to your account. It's going to be right here into the BTC trade account, just like we have right now, $2 from the way we have signed up. It's going to be $12. And then what about the last bonus out there? Well, it's $60 funding bonus. You got to fund your account with a minimum 0.2 BTC in a single deposit, right? So 0.2 Bitcoin needs to be funded. Maybe this one fluctuates from the time I made this video since 2021 or so. When you might watch this, it might be a little different difference on the amount. Right now is 0.2 BTC or $1,500 in a single deposit. Now, they're not talking about the first deposit. It might be your third deposit. It might be your second, fifth or so. It needs to be this amount in a single deposit, right? So that is very important. Once you fund your account, you're going to get $60 funding bonus directly into your assets, which is very fine because the companies out there are not really offering anything these days for your BTC trade account. So finally, you can get up to $72 bonus by signing up on Phemex, utilizing the link in the description area, depositing 0.2 Bitcoins if you want to get started on trading and all these things. It's very important to do this, right? So we have learned how to deposit, how to withdraw, making sure that we have our Google Authenticator application installed. We are having the verification process enabled. There's no issues at all. This is basically the way you have a lot of the informations down the road right here. Now, that's pretty much all about the first video, where it's just a little introduction. Afterwards, we're going to learn how to trade and utilize the trading platform. That is important. I'm going to explain you how the contracts are working. We're going to have a video series around Phemex. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for this, plus my main channel as well, which is different from the one where I've recorded this video. And please, if you want to get started into trading, make sure you learn how trading works before. For that, you can watch the video on my scramblecoaching.com and register now for the private one-on-one coaching program. You can also benefit of a free conversation of 15 minutes with me where I'm going to explain you how it works and what you can do with it. Right? So that's pretty much all about today's video, guys. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and stick in touch for the next updates. Thank you. Have a great day.